Entrepreneurs, I'm about to give you 5 secrets to take your business to the next level. Number 1 is about content and curation. Entrepreneurs often struggle to produce fresh and engaging content that resonates with their audience. ChatGPT helps to generate diverse content. This includes posts, tweets, articles tailored to the brand's voice. It can also suggest trending topics or themes for curation. So what are the benefits of this? It saves time on content generation, ensures a steady stream of content quality, and keeps the audience engaged with relevant topics. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm relevant topics based on your niche. Regularly feed ChatGPT with industry news for fresh, curated content suggestions. Tailor the generated content to align with your brand's voice and values. Number 2 is customer service and engagement. Managing customer inquiries and engagement across social media platforms can be overwhelming, especially for small teams. ChatGPT automates responses to common queries and engages users in meaningful conversation, providing personalized experiences at a scale. The benefits of this are enhancing customer satisfaction through prompt responses, reduces the workload on human staff, and fosters a positive brand image. You can implement ChatGPT in your social media DM and comment sections for instant automated responses. Customize the chatbot's responses to reflect your brand's tone and personality. Regularly update the bot with new information and FAQs to keep responses accurate and helpful. Number 3, we're talking about campaign strategy and analysis. Social media campaigns requires analyzing vast amount of data, which can be complex and time-consuming. ChatGPT offers insights and recommendations based on campaign performance data, helping to refine strategies for better engagement and ROI. This streamlines the campaign analysis process, provides actionable insights for optimization, and helps in making data-driven decisions. Use ChatGPT to analyze key performance indicators of your social media campaigns. You can ask for strategy recommendations based on past campaign data. Apply ChatGPT's insight to tweak and improve your future campaign strategies. Number 4 is personalized recommendations. Personalizing content for each follower is challenging, yet crucial for engagement and conversion. ChatGPT analyzes user interactions to craft personalized messages, recommendations, or product suggestions, enhancing the user experience. This increases engagement rates, boosts customer loyalty, and improves conversion through tailored content. Regularly update the data input to ChatGPT to refine the personalization accuracy. Use personalized insight to inform not just direct conversations, but also broader content strategy. And lastly, number 5, hashtag and SEO strategy. Identifying the right hashtag and keywords for SEO optimization on social media can be like finding a needle in a haystack. ChatGPT can provide a list of trending hashtags and keywords relevant to your business's niche based on current trends and data analysis. The benefits of this is that it enhances post visibility, drives organic traffic, and improves overall engagement on social media platforms. Incorporate the suggested keywords into your posts, descriptions, and profiles to boost SEO. Regularly update your hashtag and keyword strategy based on ChatGPT's analysis of trending topics and search inquiries. If you're looking to boost your business's social media marketing, visit Tribedigital.ca.